Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, I will explain about how to fix Windows service Oracle service free is either not available or not running error. So while I am opening SQL Plus editor on Windows, I am getting this error. So who can use SQL Plus editor? Beginners. Like suppose you are newly learning the Oracle in that Oracle SQL. Then so you are recommended to use first SQL plus editor. After that you need to, if you are good, you have some basic understanding of Oracle, you can able to write some queries, then you can move to so GUI tool called so GUI tool, like I will show some GUI tool will be there. So SQL developer. This is the SQL developer. So let's check why we are getting this error, like Windows service Oracle service free is either not available or not running. So I will show when I am getting this error. See, this is the SQL plus editor, right? So I am typing caught. It is a username. So password is tiger. I am entering. So I am getting this error. So I will show how to fix it. So in search box services.msc services, you can so search for the services or Windows Plus or services.msc. So Windows Plus or services.msc. So Windows icon plus R. Then you need to type services.msc. Right? You need to type services.msc. So scroll down. O related. Oracle first letter is O, right? O. So these are the Oracle related. Or you can click anywhere. After that, click on O. It will directly goes to the O related. So these, right? Check Oracle. It is one is running. Some Oracle scheduler is running. Listener is not running. So listener is not running. It is saying like Oracle service free. It is not running. So let's run post listener. After that I will run. This is the Oracle service free. Let's run. So let's wait until it will run. So check if it you are getting error. So it may be these are the not running. So we need to run. These are the in running state. Listener, Oracle service free, the scheduler, these are the, must be in running state, right? You can also try to run this as well. Oracle PSS. If it is running, it is fine. So it is not working. Let's ignore right now. It is not running. Let's ignore. These are the mandatory. So now Scott Tiger. So it is saying inward credential not authorized, login denied. This time this error we are not getting. It is saying invalid. So system manager. Yeah, last log last successfully login. CLS clear screen. Otherwise clear screen. So this way to we can fix this error. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel.